Hello loves, welcome back, and I hope everybody is doing perfectly fine. In today's video, I share with you the simple but yet delicious peanut stew. Yes, you might think this is egg stew, but this is peanut stew or groundnut stew. I paired this sauce with plantain or brody and pissy. Way back in university, I used to make this dip sauce very well because it was very easy to put together and it tastes amazing. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. Now to begin, I will start by peeling my plantain. If you don't want to use plantain, you can also substitute it for yam, cocoyam, or any other thing that you want, okay? Now let's peel our plantain, and once that is done, we will proceed to our next stage. Whilst we're peeling our plantain, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new for the members right here. You guys are lovely and amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for the lovely support. I truly appreciate it. And if today being your first time of visiting, don't let this be your first and last. Do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now we're done peeling our plantain, and this is how it looks like. You're going to start by washing it for about 2 to 3 times, and once that is done, I will transfer this into my cooking pot. Alright, so once that is done, I'll season my plantain with a little bit of salt, and I'll also go in with some water to cook this plantain very well. And as I said, this is one of the easiest but delicious sauce that you ever make. Moving forward, I'll add a little bit of pepper to it to cook alongside with it. Now let's cover it and allow it to do its own thing. Whilst we're cooking the plantain, let's go ahead and start by grinding our sauce. So I'll start off by grinding some onions. I'll grind until it's nice and very smooth. So next we're going to start by chopping some fresh tomatoes, and I tell you, you just don't need to omit any of these ingredients, but if you don't have, you can also substitute this for tomato paste, but trust me, the fresh one works perfectly fine for this recipe. Now we are back to check on our plantain after 30 minutes, and this is how it looks like. It looks super soft right now and just perfect. Now the pepper is also nice and ready. As you can see, I have taken it out, and I'll go in with a little bit of water to the plantain. I'll cover and allow it to sit for about 2 minutes, and afterwards I'll strain out the water. For the pepper, I'll add it to my onions and I'll grind alongside with it, just the way you're seeing it on the screens right now. So now let's grind until we achieve the perfect consistency that we want. Alright, so at this point, if you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much. Alright, so now that the pepper is nice and ready, I'll also go in with some roasted peanuts, and I'll grind until it's nice and smooth as well. Since the roasted peanuts is very hard to grind, you need to sprinkle a little bit of water to it to make the grinding process very easy, okay? And after grinding as well, this is the perfect consistency that you should be getting, not very smooth and not too rough, okay? Now we're going to start by making the stew. I'll heat up some cooking oil, and while the oil is nice and well heated, I'll also go in with some chopped onions. I'll let it fry for about 1 to 2 minutes, and while that is done, I'll also go in with some garlic and ginger paste to give the sauce extra taste and flavor. Now let's stir everything together and we will also go in with some chopped tomatoes. I'll allow it to cook on low medium heat as usual for about 10 minutes and it should be ready. As always, you need to keep an eye on it and check this from time to time. Alright, so moving forward, I also go in with some sardine, and you can also replace this with some mackerel and tomato sauce and you are good to go. Let's give everything a very good stir. We will cover and allow it to do its own thing for about 2 to 3 minutes, and afterwards we will be back to check on it. Now let's give everything a very good stir once again, and once that is done, I'll go in with my grinded ingredients and I'll stir everything together once again. I will leave it to cook on low medium heat for about 5 minutes and it should be ready. But before that, I also go in with 3 eggs. You can omit the eggs totally, okay? And I'll also go in with a little bit of salt and some seasoning of choice. I use Maggi shrimp powder and a little bit of salt. Now I will stir everything together once again, allow it to cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free, and also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. So as I said earlier on, this peanut stew or sauce is very easy to put together, but it tastes amazing. Way back in university, whenever I feel lazy in preparing something that will take a lot of time, trust me, this is one of the easiest stew that I do make anytime I want to enjoy yam, plantain, cocoyam, or even rice. It goes well with everything. You will love this, so all you have to do is to trust the process. Now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed till this point, that means you are always a proud foodie. Remember to subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much and see you in my next upload. Bye.